Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are well. I am your English teacher. Students, we are on chapter number 12, Raggedy Ann and the Kite. This is second session of this chapter. In the first session, we read about a girl named Marcella who had a rag doll. One day, Marcella and her doll went to the park. They saw some children were busy in making kite. When they flew the kite in the air, after a few minutes it acted strangely and it crashed to the ground. One of the child suggested them to add more rags to the tail of the kite. Children were agreed on this suggestion, but they were worried where they can get more rags. When Marcella saw this, she offered Raggedy Ann to tie onto the kite. Children were very happy on this new suggestion. They tied Raggedy Ann to the tail of the kite. This time kite rose straight in the air and remained steady. Raggedy Ann also enjoyed the ride. She could see for miles and the children looked so tiny to her. Okay students, let's start the chapter to know more about the story. Students, open page number 94. All of you know first I'll read a paragraph, so read with me. Then I'll explain it in English and Urdu. And before explaining, I'll tell you meaning of difficult words. Let's begin. All of a sudden, a great puff of wind came and carried Raggedy Ann and the kite away. She could hear the wind singing on the twine as it stretched. But then Raggedy Ann felt a rip in the rag to which she was tied. As each puff of wind caught her, the rip widened. Students, puff of wind means a short, explosive burst of wind. Rip means tear or pull something quickly or forcibly away from something or someone. Widen means make or become wide. This paragraph states that when Raggedy Ann was enjoying the flight, suddenly a great puff of wind came and it carried Raggedy Ann and the kite away. Raggedy Ann felt her rag is ripping, to which she was tied. She could hear the sound of the wind. As time was passing, the rip was becoming wide. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब रैगडी एन अपनी राइड एंजॉय कर रही थी तो अचानक हवा का एक तेज झोंका आया और रैगडी एन और काइट को दूर ले गया। रैगडी एन हवा की आवाज सुन सकती थी और फिर उसको ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि जैसे उसका वो रैग जिससे वो बंधी हुई थी फट रहा है और हवा का हर झोंका उस फटे हुए रैग को मजीद चौड़ा कर रहा है। So students, let's move on to know what happened after this. When Marcella watched Raggedy Ann rise high above the field, she wished that she too could fly. But after the kite had been up in the air for 5 or 10 minutes, Marcella grew restless. "Will you please pull down the kite now?" she asked the boy with the twine. "I want Raggedy Ann." "Let her fly," the boy replied. "We'll bring her home to you later." Students, restless means uneasy or unable to rest or relax as a result of anxiety or tension. This paragraph states that Marcella was watching Raggedy Ann's flight and wished she also could fly. But after 5 or 10 minutes, Marcella was feeling uneasy and she requested to the boy who had twine to pull down the kite because she wanted her doll. But boy didn't take her serious. He replied, Let her fly. We will bring her to your home later. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब मार्सिला रेगडी एन को इतना ऊपर फ्लाई करते हुए देख रही थी तो वो सोचने लगी कि काश वो भी उड़ सकती। लेकिन जब काइट को ऊपर गए हुए 5 से 10 मिनट गुजर गए तो मार्सिला बेचैन हो गई। वो उस लड़के के पास गई जिसके पास ट्वाइन थी और रिक्वेस्ट करने लगी कि तुम काइट को नीचे ले आओ, मुझे रेगडी एन वापस चाहिए। लड़के ने जवाब दिया, तुम उसे उड़ने दो, हम उसे तुम्हारे घर पर ले आएंगे। लेट्स मूव ऑन। Marcella did not like to leave Raggedy Ann, so she sat down to wait. Marcella could not see the wind ripping the rag to which Raggedy was tied. Suddenly the rag parted and Raggedy Ann was blown away by the wind. Marcella jumped up, too surprised to say anything. The kite, released from the weight of Raggedy Ann, began darting and swooping to the ground. Students, darting means move or run somewhere suddenly or rapidly. Swooping means move rapidly downwards through the air. This paragraph states that when the boy who had twine said to Marcella, "You can go home. We will bring Raggedy to your home later." Marcella did not go. She did not like to leave Raggedy Ann, so she sat down to wait. She did not see the rag which was tied with kite. Wind had ripped it. Suddenly the rag parted, and Raggedy Ann was blown away by the wind. When Marcella saw this, she was shocked. She was not able to say anything. When Raggedy Ann fell, Kite was not able to fly, so it rapidly moved towards ground. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब वो बॉय जिसके पास ट्वाइन थी वो काइट को नीचे लाने पर राजी ना हुआ तो मार्सिला वहीं बैठकर वेट करने लगी। मार्सिला ने नहीं देखा था कि रैगडी का वो रैग जिससे वो काइट के साथ टाई की गई है वो हवा से फट चुका है और फिर अचानक वो दो हिस्सों में तकसीम हो गया, यानी वो मुकम्मल तौर पर फट गया और रैगडी एन को हवा उड़ाकर दूर ले गई। मार्सिला ने जब ये देखा तो वो हैरत से खड़ी हो गई और कुछ भी कहने के काबिल ना रही। काइट भी रैगडी एन के गिरने की वजह से हल्की हो गई थी, वो तेजी से मूव करती हुई जमीन पर गिर गई। लेट्स मूव ऑन। We'll get her for you, some of the children said when they saw Marcella's troubled face, and they started running in the direction Raggedy Ann had fallen. Marcella ran with them. They ran, and at last they found the kite upon the ground by Marcella's house. But they could not find Raggedy Ann anywhere. Students, this paragraph states that when Raggedy Ann fell down to the ground, Marcella was so surprised. When children saw her worried face, they said to her, "We will bring Raggedy Ann for you." They ran towards that direction where Raggedy Ann had fallen. Marcella also ran with them. They ran until they found the kite upon the ground by Marcella's house, but there was no Raggedy Ann. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब मार्सिला ने रैगडी एन को गिरते हुए देखा तो वो शॉक्ड हो गई और बच्चों ने जब उसका परेशान फेस देखा तो कहने लगे कि हम रैगडी एन को लेकर आएंगे, और वो उस डायरेक्शन में भागने लगे जहां रैगडी एन गिरी थी। मार्सिला भी उनके साथ गई। उन्हें भागते हुए काइट तो मिल गई जो कि मार्सिला के घर के करीब गिरी हुई थी, लेकिन वो रैगडी एन को तलाश नहीं कर सके। Okay, students, let's move on to know what happened after this. She must have fallen near your yard, a boy said to Marcella, for the kite was directly over here when the doll fell. Marcella was heartbroken. She went in the house and lay on the bed. Mama and Daddy went out with the children and tried to find Raggedy Ann, but Raggedy Ann was nowhere to be seen. Marcella couldn't be persuaded to eat dinner and lay and sobbed on her bed until finally she went to sleep. Students, heartbroken means suffering from overwhelming distress. Persuade means induce someone to do something through reasoning or arguments. This paragraph states that when children found the kite but couldn't find the Raggedy Ann, one child said to Marcella, Raggedy Ann must be falling near your yard because kite was directly over here when the doll fell. Marcella was suffering from distress. She went in her home and lay on the bed. When her parents knew about it, they went with the children and tried to find Raggedy Ann, but she was nowhere to be seen. Marcella didn't have dinner and lay and sobbed on her bed until she slept. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब बच्चों को काइट मिल गई लेकिन रेगडी एन ना मिली तो एक लड़के ने मार्सला से कहा कि यकीनन वो तुम्हारे यार्ड में गिरी होगी क्योंकि पतंग यहाँ गिरी हुई है। मार्सला बहुत शिकस्ता दिल थी, बहुत सैड फील कर रही थी। वो अपने घर के अंदर गई और जाकर बेड पर लेट गई। उसके मॉम और डैड को जब मालूम हुआ वो बच्चों के साथ बाहर गए और रेगडी एन को ढूंढने की कोशिश करने लगे, लेकिन वो उन्हें कहीं भी नजर नहीं आई। मार्सला बगैर डिनर किए रोते हुए सो गई। लेट्स मूव ऑन। As she slept, Marcella dreamed that Raggedy Ann had come home to her. She woke with a cry. Of course, Mamma came to her bed right away and said that Daddy would offer a reward in the morning for the return of Raggedy. It was all my fault, Mamma, Marcella said. I should not have given the children their old Raggedy Ann to tie on the kite. Students, this paragraph states that when Marcella slept, she dreamed that Raggedy Ann had come back to home. She woke up and cried. Her mother came to her bed and said to her, your daddy would reward in the morning for the return of Raggedy Ann. Marcella cried and said to her mother, it was all my fault. I should not have given my dearest doll to the children. Okay students, now I'll explain this paragraph in Urdu. जब मार्सला सो गई तो उसने ख्वाब में देखा कि रैगडी एन अपने घर पर वापस आ चुकी है। वो उठी और रोने लगी। उसकी मदर फौरन आई और कहा कि तुम्हारे डैडी कल सुबह एक रिवॉर्ड देंगे रैगडी एन को वापस लाने की सूरत में। मार्सला ने अपनी मदर से कहा कि ये सब मेरा फॉल्ट था, मुझे अपनी रैगडी एन को उन बच्चों को नहीं देना चाहिए था। Students, inshallah we will complete this chapter in the next session. Now move towards exercise A. Students, we have done 2 questions of exercise A in the first session of this chapter. Now you can see question number 3 on your screen. Question is, what did the children do when Raggedy Ann and the kite fell down? Yes students, when the children saw that Raggedy Ann and the kite fell down and they saw the worried face of Marcella, what did they do? Yes, they began running in the direction where Raggedy Ann and the kite had fallen. Let's move on. Exercise B, reference to context. It's on page number 99 of your book. Read these lines from the story, then answer the questions. Will you please pull down the kite now? Students, we have read this line in today's lecture. Who now come to the questions. Who says these words and to whom? Yes, students, who says these words? Yes, Marcella says these words to whom? Yes, to the boy with the twine. Next question is, why did she want the kite to be pulled down? Yes, students, what was the reason that she wanted the kite to be pulled down? Yes, she did not like leaving Raggedy Ann and grew restless after the kite had been flying for 5 or 10 minutes. Last question is, what happened next? Students, we will discuss about it in the next lecture, but I am telling you the answer. The next morning when Marcella was out looking for Raggedy Ann, the robin's loud chatter made Marcella look up at the tree. She then found her doll stuck there. Students, read this chapter thoroughly. First make index, then do question number 3 and exercise B1 in your English literature copy. If you have any incomplete work, first complete that, then do this work. Inshallah, we will complete this chapter in the next session. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.